1 minute a day. Blockchain 101. What is the difference between soft fork and hard fork? For hard forks, after the change in Bitcoin protocol, old nodes will reject blocks created by new nodes since it does not conform to the rules. Miners will follow the original rule, creating a new block on the latest verified block. For soft blocks, old nodes won't detect the change in Bitcoin protocol and continue to accept the blocks created by new nodes. Miners may work on blocks that they didn't fully understand or validate. Soft forks and hard forks are backwards compatible, meaning that new nodes would be able to verify the blockchain from scratch. Backward compatibility refers to new software accepting the code produced by older software. For example, Windows 10 can run Windows XP applications. Soft forks are forward compatible, referring to older software accepting the code produced by new software. A document you saved using Word 2013 can be opened with Word 2011. That is an example of forward compatibility.
If you're interested in cryptocurrencies, you've probably heard of something called a fork. We've seen a few hard forks already, but what are they exactly? Before we can take a look at what a hard fork is, you must understand how a blockchain works. You can watch this video here for a simple explanation. In this video, I will use Bitcoin as the primary example, but all these concepts apply to other cryptocurrencies as well. As you probably know, Bitcoin is a digital currency, and that means that it is implemented with a lot of software. This software is called the Bitcoin protocol, and it establishes the rules to which everyone should agree if they want to use Bitcoin. This includes how large a block is, what rewards miners get, how fees are calculated, and so on and so on. But just like any other software project, development on Bitcoin will never be fully finished. There is always room for improvement. The Bitcoin developers regularly push out updates to fix issues or to increase performance. Some of these improvements are small, but others fundamentally change the way Bitcoin works. So sometimes it happens that a group of developers disagrees with the direction that Bitcoin is taking. The miners can also disagree because updates to the Bitcoin protocol could reduce their profits. If a group of people are so dissatisfied, they can choose to go their own way and create their own version of the protocol and fork the blockchain. So what happens if they do this? Well, Bitcoin consists out of two big pieces, the Bitcoin protocol and the blockchain, which stores all the transactions that have ever happened. If they decide to create their own fork, they start by copying the Bitcoin protocol code and start making their changes. They can do this because Bitcoin is completely open source. After they have implemented their desired changes, they define a point in time at which their fork will become active. This is done by specifying a block number. For example, you can say that your block will go live when block number 480,000 is published to the blockchain. When that block number is reached, the community is split in two. Some people decide to support the original protocol, while others want to support the fork. Each group then starts adding new blocks to the fork that they want to support. At this point, both blockchains are incompatible with each other. Because a fork is based on the original blockchain, all transactions that happened on the original blockchain also happened on the fork. And that means that if you had a certain amount of coins before the fork, you will also get the same amount of the new currency. Some people call this free money, but it all depends on whether or not the fork can actually attract value. We've already seen quite a few hard forks. For example, it happened to Bitcoin on August 1st, 2017, when Bitcoin Cash was born. In this case, the developers couldn't agree on what the size for a block should be. Some wanted the block size to go from 1 megabyte to 2 megabytes, but others wanted to increase it even further. When matters couldn't be settled, both groups decided to go their own way. Bitcoin has had a few hard forks already, some forks becoming more successful than others. But it's not the only one. Also, Ethereum has had a hard fork when it split into Ethereum and Ethereum Classic.
Welcome to DRJ Crypto News Update. Welcome to episode 46. Subscribe now. Bitcoin, created in 2009, is the first cryptocurrency and is primarily used as a digital currency. Forks may occur when significant changes are made to the code or governance of Bitcoin, resulting in new cryptocurrencies that aim to improve or change some features of the original. Forks can occur when the community or developers decide to change the underlying code or protocol, leading to different interpretations of the network. This can often happen due to disagreements on scalability. When a fork occurs, if the changes are significant enough and not agreed upon by all users, the blockchain splits into two separate chains. Forks can occur when the community or developers decide to change the underlying code or protocol, leading to different interpretations of the network. This can often happen due to disagreements on scalability. Each chain can result in a new cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, BTC, has undergone several forks over time, resulting in numerous hard forks and soft forks, each with unique features and philosophies. Here's a breakdown of the most notable examples. 1. Bitcoin, BTC, the original cryptocurrency created by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. Key features: 1 MB block size, focus on decentralization and security, limited scalability without layer 2 solutions, e.g. Lightning Network. Hard forks occur when there is a disagreement in the network's rules, creating a new blockchain incompatible with the original. Bitcoin Cash, launched August 2017, addressed Bitcoin's scalability issues by increasing the block size, initially 8 MB, later expanded to 32 MB. Focused on faster transactions and lower fees. Bitcoin SV, launched November 2018, to restore the original Satoshi vision, up to 2 GB, and theoretically unlimited, focused on on-chain scaling for enterprise use cases, apps, and smart contracts. Bitcoin Gold, launched October 2017, to make mining more accessible by switching to the Equihash algorithm, which is ASIC resistant, focus on decentralization of mining, favoring GPU miners, different proof-of-work algorithm compared to Bitcoin D. Bitcoin Diamond, launched November 2017, improved transaction speed and privacy, increased block size, 8 MB. Offers optional privacy features. Bitcoin Private, launched March 2018, to combine Bitcoin with privacy features of Classic, ZCL, focus on private transactions using ZKSNARKS. Bitcoin ABC, launched November 2020, split from Bitcoin Cash, introduced a funding mechanism for development, controversial due to mandatory developer fund from block rewards. Bitcoin XD, launched 2015, no longer widely supported, increased block size limit to improve scalability, early attempt at scalability solutions. Bitcoin Unlimited, launched 2016. Allow miners to choose their block size, aimed for flexibility but never gained major traction. Soft forks are backward-compatible updates to the Bitcoin network, where non-upgraded nodes can still participate. Segregated Witness, activated August 2017, improved scalability and fixed transaction malleability, increased block capacity by separating transaction signatures, enabled second-layer solutions like the Lightning Network. B. Taproot, activated November 2021, enhanced privacy and smart contract capabilities, uses Schnorr signatures for more efficient and private transactions. Lightning Network, Layer 2 solution, deployed, 2018, ongoing development, purpose, facilitate faster, low-cost off-chain transactions, features, a payment channel technology to enhance Bitcoin scalability. Beyond the most notable ones, there are many other Bitcoin forks with varying degrees of adoption, including Bitcoin Green, focused on energy efficiency, Bitcoin God created as a philanthropy token. Bitcoin Interest, BCI introduced staking and interest rewards. Core Bitcoin, BTC remains the most secure and widely used. Major hard forks, BCH, BSV, BTG, BCD, soft forks, we have SegWit, Taproot. Experimental forks, many niche projects with unique goals, but low adoption. Tell me what you think of today's update. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.